Gonna do a little live backtesting session. Uh, Pick the dates now. Please be 2024. Bang. Okay, 2024, week 4, month 6, so June 2024, June, last week of it. Bang. Wait, what is that? Sunday will go Monday. No, 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 no. Okay. And then we'll just do today. Cool. Let's do it. Okay. Wait, what?
I knew some of those, yeah. You know, that there was a kid on their team 6'5".
Damn. 6'5" is crazy.
Yeah, bro. I played against him last year. In this.
He got taller?
He blocked me from the frick. I shot a 3 and he blocked me. He was freaking a post.
Damn.
He took one step to block me. I don't know how, bro. Freaking
That's
long
crazy.
legs, bro.
Long legs. Alright, so on the daily, we're obviously bullish. All-time highs. It's you. We fully mitigated the new week opening gap. We have set an unmitigated 4-hour. No, we mitigated the 4, delivered pretty nice off of it, but all in all, let's see how we're generating. Do you have news? No news Monday, Tuesday, but I've never seen this. Bank stress test. Never seen that at 4:30. I don't know if that'll be a problem anyways. Maybe since we're so bullish, I'd like to see us open lower. Potentially, yeah, we haven't touched the new week opening gap on it yet, so maybe that's the way we have though. I don't know, it's all out of whack right now. Let's gonna see how we open up. The 15-minute chart has been kind of dead. Let's mark out Asia session. Yeah, so Asia session highs up here. What the fuck? Or that's London session, I mean, not Asia session. And then Asia session highs nowhere to be found. We already swept it. We have a bullish SMT with Asia session low. By the look of it, yes. Okay, so maybe we can see some. Maybe we can see. I don't know, boys. Let's see, we have an unmitigated 4-hour on NQ right here with relative equal lows, so we could. Fuck, I'm not sure. Unmitigated 30 fair value gap, which is a mitigated 1-hour. I don't know. Let's see how we open up. It's gonna be probably a weird day because we're pretty out of correlation for the most part, I'd say. We've already mitigated that 30-minute on ES, so I don't know. Let's see. We're just going the 1 minute. I don't have anything marked out, but we don't really have any fair value gaps to mark out or anything. We just inversed the 5-minute at 9:20. I don't know. We're respecting bearish pretty good. We're getting good bearish displacement candles. Could maybe be bearish to this unmitigated 4-hour on NQ, even though we have this bullish SMT. We're really high into premium, so we could see a rebalance. We're really actually not that high into premium. Sec. Yeah, we're in discount of this current dealing range on the 4-hour. So I don't know. Maybe we can just see longs out of this 4-hour. I don't really want to be shorting when we're already respecting premium on both assets. So let's see. Maybe we fail this SMT, or I want to see some sort of manipulation. I just don't really know what we can manipulate. Maybe if we open up a 15-minute gap, who knows though. Okay, we're generating liquidity at those highs. That's what I like. Maybe. Okay, we have an internal SMT now. That's some manipulation. We also mitigated the 4-hour. It's really nice while we generated low resistance liquidity up here. I don't know. I think this might be a good opportunity for a long, but again, we're displacing pretty hard down. Let's see. We do have a 3-minute. We'll take this 3-minute off the closure. but look at that. Look at how we're reacting. And ES is taking internal highs, or going to take internal highs. That's a good 1 minute candle. Okay. The DOL seems so clear on NQ being this 30 minute with all that low resistance above, but like we just swept this internal high here. So realistically this is a invalid trade, but what we can do is instead of targeting the 30, I'd honestly be open to taking a setup to here and just going break even, because this is really good displacement. Do I really think that this high inside of nothing is... Oh fuck, they're in a 5 minute now too. Yeah, this is just not what I want to see. ES is inside of a 5. This is a pretty wise fade, I'd say. The DOL seems so clear on NQ though. The thing is, okay, is there a reason to distribute? Yes. Is there a reason to remanipulate? That is what I want to see. Because what does ES have below? They have a bullish SMT. We may not need to go down until we hit this level on ES, and I think this is a pretty good 1-on-1 smack on NQ. My bad for the noise down there. Oh no, we'll try this out. This is a pretty discretionary entry, just because I feel like NQ really wants to go to this 30 minute for value gap before seeing prices lower and all this liquidity generated. We did tap into a 4 hour and got a stop hunt right here. So, I don't know. This could remanipulate, but I'm just going to go break even here. If it does, that's on me. Again, this is a discretionary entry. I think, personally, on fundeds, this is probably not something that I would take. Just due to like the fact that we just took that internal high and now we're inside of a 5 minute on ES. But, I mean, with all of this LR here, like it just looks like ES really wants to go there. And with this bullish SMT with this 4 hour, looks pretty nice. One in session high above. We're respecting this 1 hour pretty good on ES. Yeah, I like this. I like it. Okay, so we're break even there. The only reason I'm going break even so early is, again, I don't really shouldn't have to explain myself too much on it. Oh no, let's see where ES is at. ES is about to take this high. Oof. We're probably gonna have to close fairly early, I'd say. As soon as ES takes that, I'm out. Yeah, so that'll be a closure there. Like, we're so close to London session. Do we really want to fade this London session high on ES? I'm trying to make it as like realistic as possible here. Yeah, so we took London session high. I expect us to honestly leave this on NQ to get, because like what's higher? What do we have higher? London session is also a high that's swept a high inside of a higher time frame PDA. I'm closing my position here at the SMT. 100% close. Let's see what happens. Okay, it goes full TP. This was, I think, a great close because I think I'm at a 1-to-1 where I closed it anyways. Yeah, so I'm still not negative R, but again, this trade was a more, I don't know, I don't want to sound douchey and say discretionary, but the DOL just seems so clear in the signature and price. We were delivering from a 4 hour on NQ with a bullish SMT, and ES was respecting a 1 hour bullish. Even though we were inside of a 5 minute bearish, if we're truly bullish, we're just going to run right through, and that's exactly what happened. So if the higher time frame attack is beating the lower time frame defense, or if you're truly bullish, then the higher time frame attack, which is this 1 hour fair value gap, this 5 minute bearish fair value gap should get ran through if we're truly bullish. So I thought we were truly bullish here. That's exactly why I didn't think that this would stop us from going higher. So great trade, honestly. Yeah, right on. I'm just going to take one set of a day, so we're just going to go to the next day. Okay, now got a pretty good rebalance. Pushing up. We have an unmitigated 4 hour above with a mitigated 1 hour ITH. ITL. Where are we at on ES? Is that the 4 hour? Yeah, so this high on ES is here. Low resistance generating on the 15-minute at this 1 hour ITL. Personally, my dream scenario would be for us to stay going lower, or to continue going lower, pushing through this 5-minute iFVG to then sweep this 1 hour ITL to then take us to the unmitigated 4 hour. Just since our higher time frame is so bullish, I would rather take longs in this scenario than shorts, even though, you know, but again, I'm open to, since we generated liquidity up, bullish or buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity, I'm open to taking either or. So if we open up higher, taking this 4 hour, I could essentially see price going to this around liquidity. But if we open lower, sweep this, get some structure, I can see price going up to the 4 hour if we do leave it, because we have generated liquidity right here as well. So let's see how we do. You can see pre-market has been accumulating pretty much. I want to see deep manipulation. Deep. At one of these levels. Let's see. Okay. Let's watch ES on the 5-minute. Okay. So we have a bullish SMT there. I don't think that'll last. Oh, fire alarm. Uh-oh. My bad for that. Had to save the day. But, okay, we have a bullish SMT with this 1 hour ITL. There's not really any conditions I can use to frame prices higher or lower in this scenario. I would really like a 15-minute condition to see if we're going to move forward on this and catch a call long, but we're fucking 30 points away from it. So, like, if it's going to go, it's going to go. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm going to have to discretionarily see this. It's really about ES here. Okay, so NQ wants to take it. NQ wants to take it for sure. These wicks up here showing signs that we are trying to go up because of the bullish SMT, but NQ just really wants to take this. I think we're going to get really strong distribution after we get it. So right here, okay, we have a 2-minute. Fuck, there's a. Okay, okay. This will be a pretty good 1-to-1. My dad called me. Everything's fucking going on here. Okay, let's see if this is even a 1-to-1. If it's not, I'm probably not going to take it. Okay, it is a 1-to-1. Exactly what I said is happening. You know, ES or NQ is taking it. We got the 2-minute iFVG. We have a clear DOL as this 4 hour for value gap. ES is still respecting this 2-minute, but like realistically, I don't see a reason for us to go up or to go back down. There's no more DOLs. We swept basically every low. We're not quite in discount of the current dealing range though. I think it's discounted enough just because that's that high time frame key level. This should be fine, to be honest. 2-minute iFVG. Holy fucking notifications. Fuck off. Let's see. Pretty confident in this setup, to be honest. I don't know. I don't really see a reason to go break even here. Oh shit. ES is inside of a 5-minute. Are we inside of a 5-minute? No, we're not. Okay. Okay. This is that same kind of scenario. But personally, fuck. I kind of want to wait for this 5-minute closure, but we might just go. Fuck me, man. Why didn't I see that? I should have known. Should have known. Technically, there is a reason to remanipulate, but we're really pumping through this 5-minute right now. I don't know. This might just be like if we get a little bit of distribution, I'm going to go break even. just because of the scenario. I'll go break even there. You know, I don't know. There we go. Okay. Break even trade. That was pretty scary. Not actually, obviously kidding. But as we can see, ES just put in a bearish or a bullish SMT now with this internal low. Wait. Yeah. We're generating even more liquidity at this 4 hour. What is this high? What is that high? This high is literally nothing. Okay. Cool beans. Generating mad liquidity before. We did just sweep a high up there, but I don't see. Doesn't really look like we have an entry model here. At least one that I like. Printing pretty solid rejection wicks on the 5-minute. There's no. Yeah, there's really no re-entry here. Not that I'd even really like it. We can get a tap into this 15-second. Kidding. No 30-second, no 15-second. Yeah, I'm perfectly okay with not being a part of this move if it does end up playing out, which I highly assume. And yeah, we did get it eventually at 10 a.m. So, personally, those are my two DOLs on the day. The 4 hour got hit, 1 hour ITL got hit. Now we're kind of trapped in between two higher time frame PDAs. We did not mitigate this 1 hour, but with that strong rejection that we put in instantly after hitting that, I don't know. That's our 10 a.m. manipulation, but we all already took this. We have a bullish SMT here. Yeah, I think that's it for the day for me. We can see what we're going to do. Okay, hold on, actually. Hold the phone. What the fuck is ES doing right now? Inside of this 1 hour. Printing. Bullish. Can maybe get a cont long if it opens up. I don't know. Do I like a short here? Not really. What am I shorting to? Shorting to a high inside of a fucking higher time frame PDA. This high is technically protected, right? So a short in this scenario is not ideal. We have a lot of bullish or value gaps here. Not, yeah, huge 5-minute. This could be used to get a call long. I'd like that way more than a short. Could we potentially get a resweep? Or maybe ES to manipulate that 5-minute? That would be nice. 3-minute. I think I like it. 7. Yeah, that's a pretty good fucking rejection right there. Off of this 1 minute. There's a 4-minute as well. Do I like the fact that my stop loss is at an unmitigated 5-minute on ES, and we're also kind of making low resistance at it? No, I don't. I'm not going to take this long, I don't think. I think it'll get remanipulated. Plus this rejection wick on NQ is not making me want to take it anymore. And we're inside of a 5-minute as well, so this is new in the highest time frame in iFVG. Yeah, I don't like it. And I mean, yeah, this day is kind of just hunting shit, hunting stops. And now it's 11. So this day there was only really that trade, and it got break even because there was a little bit of uncorrelation, but eventually it did hit. Yeah, not a bad day. Good setup there. Good break even. Great break even. Alright, let's see where we are now. Wednesday. Okay. On the daily, let's see what time we're at. 27 minutes. That's actually a long fucking time. I'm gonna try to speed this up a bit. Okay, we have an unmitigated daily above that we are. What is all this shit? We mitigated it already on NQ or on ES. It's something that I should have been aware of. But we're inside of this massive daily. We still haven't mitigated the new week opening gap on ES. I don't really know how good that draw is. I don't think it's really S tier. Today we have news. We have this 4:30 day. Honestly, probably not going to trade it, just because I don't really know how it's going to act. If we get a good momentum at market open, then maybe. But I mean, I don't really. Looks like we're kind of just. Big dumpy. Edging discount. Is there a high time frame PDA instead of discount? There is. Mitigated the 4 hour, getting good rejection. Let's use. Not making any bullish gaps. Holy fuck, we're moving for sure. But the 5-minute gap doesn't, or the 5-minute time frame doesn't have any fair value gaps opening up. Not really something in my repertoire that I really like. Literally. We mitigated the 15. We can use this as our condition to see prices higher or lower. And it looks like we're going to be seeing prices higher today to the range high. But let's not speak too soon, shall we? And yeah, let's see what 10 a.m. does. We respected this bearish gaps, these bearish gaps, 30 minute. And we've not making it hourly above there. Okay. Let's see what 10 a.m. does. Can we mitigate this 15-minute, please? And then see prices higher. Like if we're just going to pump, I'm not really open to taking a 5-minute count when we have a 15. Ooh, hold the phone here. I might be just missing sauce. Like missing good trades. But I mean, I don't know this news day, so like I'm not really open to getting data on it. Well, I should actually be getting data on it. That's exactly what I should be doing. I'm an idiot. 5-minute count when we have a 15 is not really my favorite thing in the world, and we're ripping through all these DOLs. Man, fuck, I could have taken that 5. This honestly wasn't a bad trade. Not a bad trade. 1-to-1 little smackaroni. It wouldn't have been bad, honestly. Could have taken it, but I kind of missed the entry. 5-minute count. With good rejection, it's showing that we don't need to go lower in the moment to take the DOL. Solid. Good trade. That's probably going to be the move of the day. I don't have any gaps higher. Well, there's one more bullish gap, but I think I better count after that. I don't think we're going to get another one. And I'm not willing to short. Whoa. Perfect mitigation. But now you're targeting high resistance. Look at this fucking rejection wick off the 1 hour. That was trade of the day. That 5-minute. Should have taken it. Or that 5-minute count. Is what it is. I'm going to go the next day. Okay. On daily. Yesterday we... What do we have today? We had 8:30 news. Ooh, I like a miso 8:30 news. Nice. It printed such good candles. Just kidding. We actually have a data low here. I don't know if you guys know the stat, but it's about an 87% chance that you hit data highs or lows in the same day. So, highly likely that we're going to hit it very, very soon on this day. Oop. Okay, on the 15. I'm gonna get it 15-minute below. On the 5-minute, what are we doing? Wicking around. 1 minute. What? Jesus. What do I want to see happen here? Okay. There's a rejection wick here after not mitigating. Yeah. Personally, I would love to see. Whoa. I would love to see us come up and take the 1 hour intermediate high. Do I think it's gonna happen? Probably not. It was previous day high as well, which no, it wasn't. This would be nice to see. But again, relative equal highs. Relative equal high slash 1 hour ITH. How does that look on ES? There's a bullish SMT here. Still a 1 hour ITL or ITH. I want to see price open higher. I don't think we're gonna do it though. Oh, you like it? That's perfect. We left the 15-minute. Wow. Nice. That's really nice. I love that. But the gap is huge. Let's generate some let's get some structure built here. Holy fuck. Okay, so I guess our DOL is up here. Nice. Mitigated this daily finally. Wow. Are we even gonna go lower? Daily fair value gap, which is also a 4-hour intermediate high sweep. Swept a high inside of a higher time frame PDA. This could be, where's the money sign? This could be the protected high of the day. I could see price reversing from this. Okay, hold up. It's a pretty good 1 minute iFVG. I kind of want more confirmation though, that we're gonna see prices lower. Maybe if we inverse this one.
I'll just hop on now.
Okay. We're 1 minute away from creating a 5 minute. I'll go break even here. Oof. This looks good. Okay, it's also a 2 minute iFVG.
I'm only playing until 6:30 though.
It's also a 3 minute. I might just have to wait. Oh, fuck. I'm not taking the 3 minute or the 4. This is pretty weird. I don't know, when we remanipulate to build structure, you can see that, but we did get a chain state of delivery here on the 1 minute. It's not the highest time frame inversion. It's probably not going to be. I don't know, I think price is going to come up like this and then come back. Given all the bullish gaps that we have underneath. If we do distribute, then that sucks for me. But yeah, see. So now we have a stop hunt with a bearish SMT. And now I would like this fair value gap way more. No 2 minute. Perfect. That is what I want to see. Stop loss at the SMT. There's a tiny little 5 minute here. Fuck. Let's take a mech to this unmitigated 4. What is this? It's unmitigated 15 minute. I think if price does run, it runs hard, so I'm okay with taking this.
You won yet?
I'm looking at Jesus.
The fuck?
It's been 30 seconds.
Well, how long does your ban take to start up?
It's literally been 30 seconds, Shane.
Bro, my game loads up way quicker.
Good for you. I just turned on.
Go for a 1 to 2. Let's see.
Why?
ES is inversing this 3 minute as well. I don't see ES remanipulating.
They sent you an invite.
This threatens my stop loss, so then now I go to break even.
You want a 1v1 to warm up?
We should just flush through. ES put in a bullish SMT with it. I'm going to put my TP or my stop loss
Last time you said you weren't trying, so try this time.
here. In profit, 400 bucks. Still hasn't hit data, so the real
wait.
DOL isn't hit yet,
Make me
but
I'll make the map. Why?
break even.
Because I got it.
Bro, I do. Bro, you're
Saved me from a break even. Could have just closed my position, but
What are the rules? No spawn peeking.
wanted to get a little bit of profit out of there,
No shields
and
only upstairs.
I think that was the best way to manage your position there. Rather than closing it fully because it did have a chance that we would go down and hit full TP, I'm perfectly okay with that $400 profit, and I think you guys should be too in that scenario.
Wait, did you make it so that
Okay,
Yeah, I know how to do all that.
Alright, good. Alright then.
good day. That was the move of the day. I don't see anything else happening. We clearly probably aren't going to go get data, and if we do, it's going to be in PM session, and I don't trade PM session, so go to the next day. What do we have today for news? We had a bunch of 8:30 news. Cool, 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 cool.
Of course you do.
Data.
Bro.
Okay, we
Did your
are.
eyelashes hit your monitor when you blink?
Current dealing range. Not really. There's no key level inside that I want to see get hit, so I'm not really too worried about price hitting discount.
This is far.
I'd be more happy with
What?
us. Jesus, manipulated this 30 minute ITL.
I'm probably around the same.
Which is also, it is not a 1 hour. Is it a 4 hour? Negative. Okay.
You're probably going buck.
I'm gonna get a 15-minute above. Yes, what is ES doing?
That's not what buck sounds like.
What fucking time frame am I on? Okay, perfect.
For what?
Mitigated this 30-minute. This is the one that I wanted to
Alright,
see.
drum me. I heard you get on that drum. How are you supposed to drum me, bro? Wait, what? How the?
I don't really know what I want to see. And on the other hand, we are inside of a lot of bearish.
I just got him.
Yeah, massive 4 hour gap
just
here.
did
So
that
right now
second
we're
flop, so
inside of two conflicting DOLs.
Bro,
I want to see how price reacts out of this bullish 4 hour to really frame prices. Not really comfortable taking anything until 10 a.m., but I really want to see data highs get hit. So like I'm overall
Bro, Rooney ain't doing nothing.
bullish. Got some internal manipulation or external manipulation.
No, yeah, but I wouldn't have been able to change my op to somebody.
Okay, open lower. That's nice. To what though? What are we trading into?
Okay.
This 15-minute
You're nerfed now. You're
deeper.
I might have a
Deeper
chance
manipulation, not quite discounted the range. If we get good enough 15-minute PO3 here, I could be pretty open to taking a position. Sorry, I'm talking like fucking Miley Cyrus right now.
Huh? What?
ES is starting to distribute. Let's see how this 2-minute looks.
What?
It's not the biggest 2-minute I've ever seen, but.
What did you just say to me? You wanna go?
Ooh. Okay. ES is definitely inside of the 15-minute. I don't really play with 15 minutes. I'm gonna go break even here. I am gonna take this trade.
Yeah, if you shoot me in the head, it might come.
Just because of data highs above. I like it. It's gonna be a very, very quick break even. I'm just gonna go by the second. TP data.
Holy deceive. Don't talk about the name though.
Does price have a reason to remanipulate?
You didn't see me go
No.
where?
There's no key levels that price needs to hit. We've already fully mitigated them. It's just gonna be a quick break even.
Well,
Let me go 1 second at a time.
you obviously do.
I can't even tell if we're even going.
Yeah. Or no, obviously knew that I was in. I literally shot at you while I was. Oh shoot. Oh no! I didn't pick my operator. No. Why did I thought he was like your
So that's
most
break
used
even there.
operator.
The reason I'm going break even there is because that's a 15-minute
No, it wasn't.
fair value
I didn't
gap
have that
on
much
NQ,
leg up.
and that is threatening to my stop loss.
No, I didn't pick this guy. Like my thing was not on this.
Probably gonna be a break even trade. This is
Oh
literally
my god.
2 points into the thing,
Bro, I'm using Rook.
and that's break even there.
And I. Yeah, I know, but I have nothing.
My bad for the
to cover.
background noise. This is just, I don't know, not really a trade I want to be a part of. Mitigated a 15-minute. ES has another one above, and so does NQ, but like, the conviction is so strong, but I just don't know if I like it.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to force a trade that bad just because the DOL is so strong.
He heard your footprints.
Look at that 1 hour rejection. It's just so obvious. I did just go break even though.
Probably on the camera.
I don't know.
Man, You what?
Thinking about re-entering this trade. We manipulated the 3-minute.
Well, don't flashbang yourself.
The 1 minute still hasn't even closed yet, so let's see. Where's the 1 minute closure? Do I like it? Yes, already sweeped all this internal liquidity. Swept, I mean, not sweeped.
Oh, my bad.
So did we, though.
That's how I eat, bro.
I think I'm gonna do it.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna do it and just go break even at the end, at the high again. We'll go swing low. I don't really want to, but it's just so obvious. I feel like I have to.
yeah.
We'll go right there.
How does it It literally said on your screen, enemy just found a bomb. What, did I just freaking skip drone phase? No! You going?
Going break even here now.
What do you mean?
Or is that a mistake to go break even? Should I go break even higher up? I'll figure it out.
I have a feeling that you're downstairs. Huh? There's no roaming?
Alright, I think this is...
Oh yeah, I saw you then.
I think this is probably where I should go break even. I'm a little bit scared for the stop loss, I won't lie. If we're truly bullish and we're truly going to this level. This is the second retest and
Doesn't matter.
inversion. I don't see... Like, it is threatening to the stop loss, but I don't see how price should come back down. Because realistically, like... We're inside of a 5 minute as well. Yeah, this is a good break even.
Oh, you're cap can. Wow.
Just make sure I'm break even. I made the mistake before where I went a little bit below or a little bit too high on backtesting, and it counts it as a win or a loss, so... Need to farm. Where is he? Yes. Inside of the 15 now. I'm gonna still keep going. We're not just gonna come all the way down. Obviously,
Look, I'm MVP.
decent trade. A re-entry. TP was a little low because I don't know. Do I say fear? Not really fear. Just because of all the gaps in there, I just wanted to get my piece of the pie, and I was completely fine with a 1 to 3 or a 1.3. So that is it. That is the fucking backtesting session. Fucking mint. Let's check the analytics. 100% win rate. Up 5%. I was only trading minis, so this wasn't realistic in terms of profit gain, but realistic in high quality trades. So let me know if you guys enjoy this shit. I'll see you next time.